Doctor, do you think I will quickly recover?
Yes, for sure. You are going to be out of hospital very soon, don't worry.
Paul L. am here to sell fruits only. There is nothing that I need here.
I don't need any fruits. Can't you see I'm worried sick about my father?
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope he gets better soon.
Doctor, how is my father? Will he be okay?
Your father is a strong man. He came out of the surgery successfully. He will need some rest, but he will be fine.
Thank you, Doctor. You are a lifesaver.
Who is this young man?
My name is Peter Parker. I'm just here to sell fruits.
Peter, you have a kind heart. You care about people, even those who may not care about you. That is a precious gift.
Thank you, Doctor. Good afternoon, Ma.
Afternoon, Peter. Peter, where have you been? I was getting worried.
Ma, you won't believe what happened today. I went to the hospital, and I met a famous surgeon. He even spoke to me.
Really? What did he say?
He said I have a kind heart. He also said that caring about people is a precious gift.
You know, Peter, even though we don't have much, we are rich in other ways. We have each other, and that is priceless.
Thank you, Ma.